Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will be taking you through a quick but super effective styling technique to curling a long layered haircut. This technique will create beautiful, effortless, long-lasting beach waves. This technique is as fast as a round brush blow dry, but lasts twice as long. We start with preparing the hair with a light mousse. Taking clean sections, combing the product evenly through each section. I have previously applied mousse to the hair wet, blow drying the product into the hair with a paddle brush, flat wrap technique, before starting this step. This is called a double mousse. This process will add pliable but firm texture to the hair, creating more grip and hold for the curling process. This technique is amazing for all hair types and textures, especially fine thin hair that's hard to blow dry or curl. I am now using a super large round brush, taking large sections, wrapping the hair around my brush, creating tension whilst drying the product into the hair. This step should be fast, saving time, as we are only drying the mousse into the hair. Once you have dried the mousse into the hair, change your hair dryers, setting to cool. This helps to close the cuticle, creating less static, whilst adding a smooth shine to your client's hair. I learnt this amazing technique working at Mercedes Fashion Week in Melbourne, Australia. We would prepare all models with a double mousse before styling. This process is a winner for weddings, festivals and summer parties, and for your clients who want long-lasting waves. We now zone a horseshoe section in the top, braiding the bottom zone out of the way. In the top zone, I will be adding volume by round brush blow drying and setting each section with a Velcro hair roller. I am only placing volume through the top zone, avoiding volume in the side zones, creating a more modern shape. We now zone the bottom zone into sections like so. This helps us to work clean and fast. I curl this zone with approximately 7 curls on each side. If my client's hair wasn't so thick or long, I would use less. Do you ever wonder what size curling iron to use? With all long loose beach wave hairstyles, I always choose a medium-sized tong. I find this size creates a more beautiful, effortless curl. The large looks amazing, however, the curl falls out much faster, and the small tong is fun for super curly hairstyles. I take large sections of hair. Using my glove to control the hair, I place the tong on top of the section of hair, curling back over the tong. Curling this way reduces unwanted body, giving us an overall, more modern shape. If you want more body, wrap the opposite way. I firmly wrap the section of hair around my tong without twisting the hair. I continue this process until the whole section is wrapped around the tong. I continue to hold the section in this position until I can feel the heat through my glove. I now simply pin the section in with a sectioning clip. allowing the curl to set. The hot to cool phase of setting hair will not only create a better curl, it will also be a longer lasting curl. We repeat this process, working up the zone. Adding a light hairspray to each section when setting the curl. Layering light textured products, like a light mousse and a light hairspray, makes a huge difference to your overall hairstyle and also how long it lasts. On the opposite side, I have swapped my tong and glove to the opposite hands, so I continue to direct my curl into the center, like the first zone. When using your hairspray, step back from your client and spray small amounts at a time. Layering your hairspray gently will always create a more elevated, beautiful result. Working in the side zones, I direct the curl away from the face. Continuing the same process, winding the hair from underneath the tong, we complete this side zone, taking 4 sections of hair. This should take less than 4 minutes to complete. We continue the exact process on the opposite side, directing the curls back, away from the face shape. Using your tongs instead of blow drying will help to reduce long-term, repetitive strain injury in your hairdressing career. It will also give your clients more long-lasting results. Your clients are able to purchase tongs and replicate the work we do. Your clients rocking amazing hair, not only when they leave the salon, is the best advertising for your amazing work. Moving to the final zone, I simply remove the Velcro. Using my tong, I elevate the section of hair from underneath. Building body, I hold the hair for a moment to allow the root area to set before curling this section. With the final 3 sections, I change my curling direction, directing the section over my tong, instead of under my tong, creating body in the top of the shape and in the fringe zone. This will allow the curl to fall forward over the face, and then bend back off of the face. We now gently remove all of the sectioning clips. I used 18 clips in this hairstyle. In some styles, I use 5 and still achieve incredible results. I personally prefer to spend more time cutting and refining my haircuts than blow drying them. I am now using my curl comb to gently comb through each curl. This helps to stretch out my curl, creating a more loose beach wave, reducing frizz and static. If our clients are booked for a haircut, we should spend most of that appointment cutting, not blow drying. The point of showcasing this technique was to help open our minds to working faster and smarter with our finishing, blow drying, styling skills, so we can cut perfect precision haircuts for our clients. I have observed stylists all over the world cutting a whole haircut in 10 minutes and blow drying for 40 minutes. The industry has made our clients expect a perfect precision haircut and an incredible blowout service all in one appointment time. I hope this technique can help you to manage more time cutting your client's hair whilst giving them a rocking hairstyle all in one appointment. I am now using my hands and fingers to comb through and dress my hairstyle. This technique will help to combine your sections together and dress your curls. You will see that I am using my fingers to rake through the hair, doing a back combing movement as my hands reach down into the zone where the curls or waves have formed. This is where you can create a more formal look or a more effortless undone, loose result. I have chosen to finish this look with a very light shine spray. You could use a dry shampoo or texture spray for a more beautiful, disheveled look. If you have watched this tutorial to this point, you absolutely rock my world. I appreciate all of your watch time and support. It really helps to support my channel. If you haven't already, please hit the like and subscribe icons, and let me know what you think of this tutorial, or if you have any tips or tricks for me, in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and see you next week.